Welcome back to Mad River Outdoors. Thanks for joining us up on the property today. It's one of the last beautiful Saturdays that we're probably going to have before snow starts flying. Today's project, I think, is going to be to try and clear out this back hill with a DR trimmer, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Let's quit wasting time and burning daylight, and let's get right into it. I'm thinking we should get the mower out. Okay, so we're trying to get this electrical installed so that we can get a light up here. We have a 12-3 wire coming in. That wire has a red wire in it, but that wire is capped inside the plug. So it just makes it all the more complicated when you're trying to hook it up to the electrical box, because you need to know if that red wire is live or not. So again, in our case, the red wire is capped off. It is not needed. So it should just be a standard electrical install at this point. We're going to go ahead and get this panel taken off. As you can see, I've already got this breaker installed. So what I did was I brought the white common and the ground line and I put it into this bus bar on this side. And then I have the black line, which is the load line that comes into the breaker on this side. So I've already inserted the breaker. It's on. Let's go ahead and see if the light that I have plugged in upstairs is working. Fingers crossed. We need to test all the outlets and make sure that they work with no issues. We definitely have a water leaking issue here. As you can clearly see, there's water pooling on the floor. It's coming from right there. The only thing I can do is dig the stone away in the front. Dig a trench and put a pipe in. But unfortunately, I didn't discover this problem until it was too late. So this is where we're at with that. All right, so that outlet is on. Great. As you can see, that outlet is also on. And the wood stove is plugged in and working. So it looks like we are good to go with that electrical line. I'm going to go ahead and use one of these two-piece tester kits. I'm going to plug this in the outlet and see what we get. Two yellows. Correct wiring. Perfect. Correct wiring. Perfect. Oh, look. I like that it shows open ground, open neutral, open hot. That's definitely good. Two yellows. The mouse turds here. Huh. I wonder if they're coming in here. We're going to put that like that and see what we can get. We're going to re-vacuum that area. Two yellows. That's good. I think that was successful, and I think we may have found a mouse entry point. So that's great news. We're going to have to keep an eye on that spot. We got all that brush cleared out. Looks way better than it did. Very happy with that outcome. So at this point, we're gonna start cleaning up and we're gonna get a fire going and we're going to get some food. Tonight we're gonna be having chili in the Instapot. Should be really great. Anyway, thanks for joining us today on Mad River Outdoors. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Please make sure you click that like, share, and subscribe button. The subscribe button and the like button are really super important. If you've made it this far, just go ahead and hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Have a great day.